students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So our next question is, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeters square and area of triangle PQR is 100 centimeters square. AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Then what will be the length of PQ? So if two triangles are similar, triangle ABC is similar to PQR. So from this we know that one relation, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be equals to square of ratio of any corresponding side. For example, corresponding sides are here AB and PQ are corresponding, AC and PR are corresponding, BC and QR are corresponding. So any of the corresponding, since AB is given, we will take AB and PQ as a corresponding side. So it will be equals to AB by PQ the whole square. Now using this relation, we can find the length of PQ because area of triangle ABC is given as 64, area of triangle PQR is given as 100 is equals to AB is given as 8 and PQ is unknown, the whole square. Now we'll take root on both the side. So this will be equals to 8 upon 10 is equals to 8 upon PQ. 8 and 8 will get cancelled out. PQ is equals to 10 centimeters. This is our final answer. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.